Programming your GMC key fob can save money. This section covers the fundamentals. First, your key fob has a transponder chip and buttons for lock, unlock, panic, and sometimes trunk release. Your GMC uses a receiver module or body control module to store the fob's codes. The basic process involves syncing the fob's radio frequency with your car's computer. For many 2010-2024 models, you'll insert a working key into the ignition, cycle it on and off a specific number of times, and then press buttons on the fob at timed intervals. Listen for confirmation chirps or flashes. No special tools are usually needed, just a working key, the new fob, and your vehicle. Always ensure your vehicle is in park, doors are unlocked, and no alarms are active. Incorrect programming can drain the battery or trigger anti-theft modes, so follow instructions carefully. Success rates are high for compatible models. The ignition cycle method is popular for programming GMC key fobs. For example, on a 2019-2024 GMC Sierra 1500, turn the key to on 3 times, then press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob during the 4th cycle. This may pair the fob successfully. However, exact steps vary by model year, so always check your owner's manual or online resources for your specific vehicle. Aftermarket fobs can work, but some users face issues with remote start functionality. For newer models, GM's My GMC app allows digital keys, eliminating the need for physical fobs. Many 2025 models support ultra-wideband digital keys for proximity-based access. Future trends include app-based pairing via NFC or Bluetooth with fully autonomous key systems on the horizon. While DIY is often successful for tech-savvy users, GM recommends professional reprogramming for newer models to avoid voiding warranties. Keep in mind that cybersecurity threats are rising, so update your firmware regularly to protect against hacking. Step-by-step videos can guide you through DIY programming, but experts recommend it only for tech-savvy users.